Have you ever felt so exhausted, tired of so many things that end up draining your energy? At the same time, you feel stuck because you don't see any significant progress in your life. Just the same days repeating, whether in your work, relationships, or the dreams you once believed in. I do. In my 20s, I find myself thinking a lot. I often compare my achievements to others, and sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough at anything. I feel like I don't have any special skills, I'm not beautiful or good enough to be worthy of a good man in the future. So sometimes I question my worth. And that kind of thinking often leads me into fear, confusion, and anxiety about the future. Deep down, I know these thoughts don't deserve a place in my heart, and through my spiritual journey, as a Christian who holds on to faith, I choose to rise. I don't want to stay stuck in that mindset for too long. I've heard so many tips from books, podcasts, journals, saying things like if you're tired or emotionally drained, try journaling, take a nap, cook something, work out, do this, do that, and so on. I've tried all that things, but honestly, one of my favorite ways to cope, to heal, and to refresh my mind again is simply by only taking a walk. Yes, just go outside and take a walk. For me, the simple act not only heal or refresh my mind. By walking, sit alone, feel the air, and just being present, it also gives me new motivation and inspirations about life again, about what I have to do on my next day, and so on. Just let the calmness of nature soothe your soul. You can choose to walk to the park like me, whether in the morning or evening, whichever feels comfortable and safe for you. So here I sit alone, just reflecting and writing a little journal about how I feel that moment, and a simple view also greeted me, birds flying across the evening sky. They moving from one tree to another. At first glance, it might seem very ordinary, but when I take a closer look and watch them slowly and carefully, it feels so beautiful and heart-stirring, like experiencing a different kind of life. This view reminded me of something. When I see the birds, I always see them as something meaningful. I mean, it always reminds me of God's word from Matthew 6, verse 26, that says, "Look at the birds, they don't plant or harvest or store food in barns, for your heavenly Father feeds them. And are not you far more valuable to Him than they are?" This verse has been a true comfort to me. It truly spoke to me. It's calmed my heart. As a Christian, I see this verse as more than just a promise of cycle or material provision. More than that, it reminds me of how precious I am in His eyes and that His grace is enough for me. It's enough to heal my weariness. His love gives me rest and new strength, the kind I could never find anywhere else in this world. I believe that in this season, He simply wants me to rest and slow down. He wants me to focus more on Him and to rely on His strength, not my own. So I hope this can also be a gentle reminder for you to not be so hard on yourself, to slow down, to be kind to yourself, and to remember that you can always begin again. Even if it's just by taking one step outside, just go for a walk and be present.